Today's meditation is going to be a gentle, guided visualization into the inner child. So when you are ready, I'd like you to find a quiet place where you can relax and you won't be disturbed for about 10 or so minutes. Then I'd like you to come to stillness. Gently close your eyes. Let your breath drop low into your belly, slow and easy. Breathing gently. Allowing the day to settle, the thoughts to quiet. Just breathing slowly. Imagine you're walking a narrow path through a quiet forest. The sun is slanting through the trees and you feel calm, guided. Up ahead is a gate. It's old, wooden, and familiar. You've seen it before, perhaps in a dream or a memory. So you walk through the gate, going to enter a wild and beautiful garden of flowers and vines, soft grasses, and the sunlight dappling through the leaves. This is the garden of your inner world. Just take a moment now to explore the garden around you. There, in the center of it all, is your inner child, your younger self, little you. Take a moment to watch how they play, or they sit, or they wait. Take a moment to notice them. Notice their age, their energy, their eyes. Just take them in. You don't have to say anything. You can just be near them. And when it feels okay to do so, gently approach them. Slowly let them notice you. Let them feel your presence. Then you can let them know that you're here. If it feels right, get down on the floor in front of them. Cross your legs and sit in the grass beside them. Perhaps they may even want to be hugged or picked up. Let them choose. But let them know, I'm here and I see you and I remember. Just sit with that a moment. If it feels right, you can ask them, what do you want me to know? What do they need today, if anything? And if they're open to it, you can offer them a smile, a hug, a promise. Or perhaps you can tell them the words they most needed to hear. Take your time just being with them. Giving them the comfort and the knowledge that you know they needed. This is your space to be with them gently, to offer them safety and warmth. So take however long you need. When it feels complete and you both feel ready, tell them gently, "I'll come back. I'm not leaving you behind. I know you're here now, and I'm going to keep us safe. I've got us." Say your goodbyes just for today, and know that you can return to this meditation anytime you like. Then begin to return now to your breath. Breathing into the body, breathing out slowly. I want you to make your way back through the little wooden gate, back to this moment, back to your body, and back to now. Knowing you can take that inner child with you out into your day and let them guide your heart.